Technology then and now. In this text, I will talk about my parents' life and how they use the technology for their benefit and how they use in their jobs and how they interact with it. First, I asked my mom what was her first job. She said to me that she has always been a teacher and she has taught kids of elementary school and kindergarten. And now she is teaching the kids from third grade in elementary school named Leyes de Reforma. Then I asked how she works and what she used to help her. She said to me that she uses lessons and homeworks or projects to teach the kids how about the school, and the object that she used is a whiteboard and a marker to write in. And sometimes she uses a projector to when she uses a afterward. I asked my mom if she requires a lot of technology in her work. She told me that she doesn't use it, she only uses when she has the projector or when she uses the internet to teach the kids about the work that she's teaching. Or then I asked her if she works better. I asked her if she works better with these advances. She told me that yes, that she always works better with this because it's more easier to explain when she has a Word or PowerPoint projection, and she can use it more easier. After that, I asked my dad some questions about the technology, and the first thing that I asked him was, "What was the technology?" Well, he said to me that the technology was an application of scientific knowledge of some purposes like internet or social things or work. Moreover, I asked him how has changed the technology, and he said to me that the technology has changed so drastic because before there was none of it, or like no one had access to it, and now everyone can have access or where they can search and is more easier to use. In addition, I asked him how much did he use the technology, and he said to me that a little bit because you can before you can have access or you can have access or be with the internet so long because there was so a little bit and you can have it. Then I asked him what aspect the technology used to improve, and he said to me that the technology used a lot of aspect like personal life is more important or work, projects, lessons, or you can use it like when you have a homework and sometimes in books or something you can read you don't have the necessary information, you can use the internet for your benefit. Afterward, I asked him what is the benefit of technology in general. And he said to me that the benefit of the technology was to make our lives more comfortable. Like when you have something in projects or homework, you can use it besides like read or in personal life you can search about a problem and it can help you to solve it or something like. In addition, I asked him what was the technology, how was the technology, and he said to me that it was so hard to have access, and he didn't have a lot of time with the technology then, and he didn't use it at all. And then I asked him through the years which advance was what the most notorious, and he said to me that the internet was the most notorious because before there wasn't not of internet, and now you can search anything you want from there. You can have work, personal life, entertainment, and you can be focused on notices, and it's more easier to use. Then I asked him two similar questions about how does it help him in his work. And he said to me that it helps him a lot because he has an industry and he is only in the office with a computer, and he does graphics or he sends like informations to Alemans, and is a lot of uses. Then I asked him what does not help him. And he said to me that sometimes he doesn't sleep or because of all the work he has, or and sometimes it hurts her his see because he's a lot in the computer and he has a lot of light or something that can hurt her his eye. Finally, I asked him about if he likes more things like they were then or now, and he said to me that he likes things more like they are now because he has a lot of technology and in his benefit and can use it. But the bad thing is that a lot of kids or people are so focused in the technology that didn't know the world, or they are only in the cell phone that don't see the view of the world. And that's all. Things.